While Fine Organics has been buzzing in trade, the stock is up nearly 20% in the last two trading sessions. And if you see the average volumes in the last 2 days, it's close to 4.5 lakhs. That is nearly 13 times its 20-day average. Now, what are the factors that are leading to this? I think firstly, if you see the fourth quarter results, it was a blockbuster set of numbers. The revenue growth was led by mix of volume and value growth. The EBITDA growth was led on the back of operating leverage and the price hikes that the company had taken. The company had completely passed on the rise in the raw material and freight cost to customers. Now, according to the company, their total product accounts for less than 1% of the total customers' RM cost, and hence undertaking price hike was not a challenge for them. And even if there was significant inflation, they could take this price hike and completely pass on the cost to their customers. Now, along with this, the client addition was pretty strong for the company in the fourth quarter. Many companies or the customers could not get their products on time due to logistic challenges and supply chain issues, but Fine Organics did manage to meet the customer demands, which helped them to get new customers on board. Also, if you see in the last 3 quarters, there has been a consistent turnaround in the company's earnings after a weak FY21 numbers. So that was one of the factors. Along with this, the company also has strong growth plans. So they have already signed a joint venture with Thailand, which will cater to newer markets in Asia and Europe, and also they have invested in a new land in Gujarat for their new greenfield plant. So this is their growth plan going forward. Also, if you see in their current existing plant also, they have not achieved peak utilization, which is expected to happen in FY23, and by achieving the peak utilization levels in FY23, their revenue growth could be at least 30% on a YOY basis in FY23. However, there are some negatives that could work against Fine Organics going forward, and that is the fact that some analysts expect that product spreads could decline going forward, which could impact their profitability. Now, the current spreads, according to some analysts, are unsustainable and cannot be extrapolated, especially the spreads that the company did get in the fourth quarter of FY22. Also, along with this, if you see the valuations of the company are very expensive compared to its peers. Like you can see, Fine Organics is trading at a PE of close to 57.5 times as compared to Galaxy Surfactant, which is trading at 38.8 times, SRF, which trades at 38.6, and Deepak Nitrite, which is trading at a valuations of only 25.5 times. So expensive valuations and the spreads could decline going forward are the only key negatives that could work against Fine Organics going forward.